Tapos na, self-checkout. Total price is $333. What's up mga uncle? Good morning. Half a day. It's a sunny day today. Grabe kamingaw gining Amerika. Kita ko. May silingan na iba. Asa may silingan ni mo diyan? Tubangan sa mga balayo. May silingan. Gusto ka mapalit sigarilyo. Ako mapalit ang sigarilyo. Open house. So let's go to Walmart and HEB today. Go-grocery tayo. Tingnan natin kung saan ang mas expensive maghanda ng birthday party sa mga anak nyo. Sa Pilipinas ba or sa Amerika? So sabi nila mahal na daw masyado sa Pilipinas. So let's see kung saan ang mas mahal. Kasi last year, yung dalawang anak ko, May yan sila dalawa. May 16 yung youngest, tapos May 23 yung eldest. So last year sa Pilipinas, nag-celebrate sila ng birthday sa Jollibee. So sasabi ko mamaya kung magkano na gastos namin. And this time, dito sila mag-celebrate and sa bahay lang namin i-celebrate. So next week they're gonna be celebrating their birthday together para maisa ang gastos. So let's go. Let's have some grocery shopping for their birthday. Kahapon si Mrs. nag grocery na siya sa Filipino store. So parang malaki na rin na gastos. So today we'll just go to Walmart, yung mga additional paper plates, sodas, and then sa HEB supermarket din yan. Doon tayo mamili ng mga meat, pork, etc. mga gagamitin natin. So let's go. Samahan niyo ako and later tingnan natin kung magkano yung mga nagastos natin. Alright, see you later guys. We're done here at Walmart. Normally ito lang binibili namin dito sa Walmart. Meron tayong sodas for the visitors, mga bata, Yakult, spoon and fork, paper plates, baso, mga ibang kailangan, milk sa bahay, table napkins, chocolates, pandagdag sa loot bag, and chips. Need tayong water. I'm gonna pay after we will go to HEB to buy some meats. Yan, tapos na. Self-checkout. Total price is $333. Total bill is $163. Lots of flowers and balloons for Mother's Day. We're done. More than 2 hours of grocery shopping. Grabe. I don't know just compare in the Philippines prices. Let's see. Kung mag grocery kayo, ilan ang nagagastos niyo weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. So we will just compare. Kasi dito sa US, it's getting out of control na rin. It's really expensive. For the past, I think, 7 years that we're here, it's skyrocketed already. Maybe like triple or quadruple the prices. And the salary are still the same. Now, let's go home and eat lunch. Uncle, we're home. Tapos na tayo mag-grocery. Yan lang ang mini vlog natin for today. So, grocery tayo for the kids' birthday party. So, kung mag-compare nyo sa Pilipinas, please comment down below kung magkano magpa-party sa Pilipinas or magkano yung mga grocery nyo regularly. Sige lang, gawa ako ng ibang video na yung grocery, monthly groceries na regular na nagagamit namin monthly or bi-weekly. So normally bi-weekly kami nag-grocery. So for today, ang nagastos natin is around $600. So sa Walmart, I think $333. And then sa HEB is around $160. And then dumaan ako ng CVS around $40 to $50. So roughly $600. And then yesterday sa Asian store, and I think total is $400. So overall, for our kids' birthday party is $1,000 already spent. So may kulang pa tayo, drinks, alcohol, beer, and maybe hard liquors, red wine. So last year, nag-birthday ang mga bata sa Pilipinas sa Jollibee. I think there are 50 guests, 30 kids. Lahat na kumpleto, burger, kahit ano, chicken with rice, kahit anong order, spaghetti, palabok, ice cream, sundae cone, host, balloons, venue, lahat na extra. Siguro nabayaran ko lang mga 15 to 20,000 pesos. So around $300 to $400. And wala ka ng pagod doon. May venue na, sila na lahat nakalagay ng balloons, decorations, lahat. Dito wala pa, ikaw lahat. So in the coming days, I will update you about their birthday. So ito yung buhay Amerika, buhay namin as a Bisaya family here in the US. So if you like to know more about daily life in the US, kung pupunta kayo dito or nasa Middle East kayo or ibang country na soon you will be here, may mga pending petition kayo. If you have any questions or may gusto kayong topic na malaman about here, living here in America, please comment down below at gagawan ko ng video. And please like my video. Experiment din ito for starting YouTuber. So let's see. Wala naman tayong ibang ginagawa, work, house. So during our off time, so we'll try our best to make videos, informative one, para at least matulungan din yung mga iba na gustong malaman yung video, yung pamumuhay dito sa US, compare their current situation or lifestyle in the Philippines or other countries. Alright, thank you. That's all for today, guys. Hope you like and share my videos and press the notification bell for more videos. So I'll try my best to upload at least 2 videos per week. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.